Alright, today we got to change the blade on this mower. It's about 15 years old. It's got the original blade. For that part, it's got the original motor oil, original air filter. It's had a rough time, but it keeps on going. Try to get another year out of it. I did give it 2 new rear wheels last year, so I am sinking some cash into it. So I've already disconnected the spark plug, and that's the main thing you want to do. So when you're underneath it and flipping it around, it won't start. But so here's the new blade, universal 22-inch. Right there's good old Murray, and I'm going to need some of these parts because you'll see my blade just has a small hole for the bolt to go through. But let's flip it on its side and get the old blade off. So here we go. Let's see something in here to block this. Doesn't take much. At least I had it on good. The old blade. That's the old hole. And here's the new guy. Stuff unwrap. Alright, just another look at it. You see the old one's kind of beat down. Alright, so on this, I don't know if you can see that, it says grass side, which means it's going to go on like that. Of course, it wouldn't work like this, but somewhere in this batch of plastic, I believe they gave me just what I need to deal with that. Let's see. And I think all I need is that. Still get the grass side out. Gently insert this. Alright. Grass side. Trust me. She's not going anywhere. Alright, so nothing left to do now but flip it over and try it. Alright, so I'm going to put the spark plug wire back on, give it a few of these bad boys, see what happens. 'Some well-seasoned gas from last fall. Oh yeah, I'm getting a little something now. She's primed. Let's see what happens. .9/16 socket. Really all I need, a piece of wood to block the blade while I tried to loosen it and tighten it. And then I used right here and mow it once and see if she stays on there. Anyway, thanks for watching.